Most car vacuum cleaners look powerful, but when you actually use them, they barely pick up dirt. I went through some of the most popular options, and honestly, most of them are not worth it. Some have weak suction, some lose power in minutes, and others just don't clean properly at all. And if you've ever vacuumed your car and still saw dirt stuck in the seats, you know how frustrating that is. So I looked at real user reviews, compared performance, and picked the ones that actually do the job. These are the best options, depending on what you need. Starting with the best overall option, the Black+Decker Dustbuster CHV1410L is one of the most reliable all-around choices. It balances power, portability, and ease of use really well. From what I found in user reviews, people consistently mention how it handles everyday dirt, crumbs, and even light pet hair without struggling. It's also lightweight, so you're not fighting with it while cleaning tight spaces. Now, one small downside. It's not the strongest on heavy debris like sand, but for regular use, it's more than enough. So if you want something simple and reliable, this is a safe choice. But if you need something more powerful, the next one is on a different level. The Shark Ultra Cyclone PET Pro Plus CH951 is built for deeper cleaning. Compared to others, it has noticeably stronger suction, which makes a big difference for sand, dust, and stubborn dirt. A lot of users mentioned that cheaper vacuums failed in these situations, but this one handled it much better. However, more power usually means a bit more weight and more noise, so it's not the most convenient, but if performance matters more to you, this is easily one of the best options. Now, not everyone needs that much power, especially if you're on a budget. The This Works car vacuum cleaner is a popular, affordable option. It's compact, simple, and does a decent job for light cleaning. From customer feedback, most people were satisfied with how it handles basic dust and small debris, but to be honest, it struggles with heavier dirt and deep cleaning. So this is best if you just want something quick and cheap for maintenance, not heavy-duty cleaning. Now, if you have pets, this next one is worth paying attention to. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Handheld Vacuum is designed specifically for pet owners. Pet hair is where most car vacuums fail, but this one does a better job because of its attachments and suction design. Users specifically mentioned that it lifts hair from seats and carpets more effectively than standard models. It's not perfect, you might still need multiple passes, but compared to others, it clearly performs better in this area. So if pet hair is your main problem, this is a smarter pick. And finally, if you just want something super convenient, the Fantic Slim V8 Apex Cordless Vacuum is all about portability. It's lightweight, cordless, and very easy to carry around. Perfect for quick cleanups without setting up anything complicated. But here's the trade-off. It's not the most powerful option on this list, so it works best for light cleaning, not deep dirt. Still, for everyday use, it's very practical. So here's the easiest way to decide. If you want the best balance overall, go with the Black+Decker. If you need strong suction for deep cleaning, the Shark is the better choice. If you're on a budget, the This Works will get the job done. And if pet hair is your main issue, definitely go with the Bissell. It really depends on what you need. You can check all of these in the description below and see which one fits your needs. And if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more simple and honest reviews.